Okay guys, so welcome to another video. So in this video, this is an AutoCAD file. So I want to show you how you can copy this AutoCAD file to Archicad and start drawing your walls in Archicad. So this is the AutoCAD file. So first of all, what I will do is that I will open my Archicad, which I have done with this my Archicad. So for me to be able to take it to Archicad, I will have to close the work AutoCAD. No, there's nothing I did, so I'm going to close it. So I will go. Okay, so this is my card. So I'll go to the folder where the AutoCAD file is located. Okay, so I will simply just drag and drop it. So yes, millimeter, yes, I'm working with millimeter, and just follow the process. Okay, this is it. Okay, so okay, I'm zooming. This is the file. So I'm going to drag this place and take it closer to my origin. Okay, take it closer to my origin. This is the ground floor. Okay, this is my origin. So the next thing I will do is right click on this. You can see everything is grouped together as one. I can't actually uh, pick this as a line because everything is like a field. So what I will do is that I will right click it for me to be able to explode it to line, and I will explode. I will click on explode into current view and just click on OK. So I'll wait for it to explode. Okay, waiting for it to explode. Okay, so I will click on delete, and this is now the work as a line 2. And I think they are to scale because I use millimeter and nothing, no alteration. Okay, so next thing I will do is I will click on my word to click on the setting, click as usual, click on this 225. I will just select all these, then I change it to gray. Okay, so I will click on OK. So I will draw my first wall. If you notice, this particular wall I've covered my windows, so I can't know where my windows are or doors by the time I finish drawing. So one thing I will do for me to make my work easier is that I will click on the wall, go to the setting, then go to floor plan accession. I will click on this override cut frequency both. Then I will select this to transparent, okay, and click OK. So you can see that I can see my Windows position. So I can easily place my windows and doors whenever I want to do so. So I will just match this wall and trace it on all every other area I need. Okay. Okay. So let me take this. Okay, my main concern is on the external wall because I'm modeling the just the 3D alone. So I think I don't have any business with the internal walls. So we just focus on the external wall. Okay, okay, this is the push, so I have to take this. So I've done this, so this is the ground floor, and I need to go to the first floor. So I will just simply copy this. Okay, oh, let me suspend group so that I can copy just this alone. So I will click on this copy, then double click on my first floor, and I will on my trace. So I will paste. So I will copy this exact point as my reference and place it here. I decided to pick this place so that in case there's any cantilever, like you can see now, there's cantilever here. Okay, there's a cantilever here. So when we continue drawing my walls, okay, let me start from here. Okay, okay, let me take this here. Okay, Okay, water closet. Don't know what it meant here, but let me just draw this one in case. Okay, it's WC. I mean the bathroom. So, okay, this one is here. Let me take this here. Take this here. So, is there any other thing I need to do? Okay, I'm going to use slab 2 for this. So I'll go to the ground floor and copy the second floor. Okay, let me take the second floor, copy, go to the second floor, and then paste. Yeah, just paste. I will just copy this. I will just click on this, uh, drag it to this place. Okay, so I will just draw my wall. Okay, so I need to understand these drawings from the elevation, but before that, I think we have more other floors and we have exhausted our stories. So what we do is just easily go to our, yeah, okay, normally we're supposed to add the slab thickness till 150. I'm going to stretch edit story and take it up to 150. Okay, so I'll take this up and right click, edit story, move this. I'm selecting this because if there's any other storyline on top, it will move it also. Okay, so we don't have any more to, so we just create more with new. Okay, let's just okay. So create new. Okay, so go here, the same thing. The walls have been used to adjust just like the other ones that are just based as we just change the line. Okay, maybe because we don't have our level line on top before we draw the wall, that's why. So what I can do is go to the second floor, click, I think I will click one of the wall, click on wall to control A, then go to the setting. You can see it's not linked, so I will link it to story theory, then change this to 0. Okay, now the one that I've added. So that is it. Okay, let's go copy our, okay, copy story theory, or trace this on, or paste it. Okay, where will I pick as my reference? Okay, let me use the staircase. Okay, okay, so that is it. I think there was here, there was, okay. So my focus is just tracing on the walls that were drawn on the AutoCAD water closet. Okay, I think there's a wall here. Okay, I have to change it to 150. 150. And then I just change it from here and then from this. I can just change this to 225, 25. So that is how you can bring in AutoCAD drawings and draw in Archicad. So I think the next thing is just to focus on working on my facade. Okay, do they have more floors? Let me check. We've taken the ground floor, first floor, second floor, and third floor. So what it meant here is the roof. Okay, meaning all year is not covered with roof, just only year. Okay, 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 okay. This suit is also covered with roof. This place is open. Okay, so okay, let's take it up. Let's take it up and see so that we can easily get it done. Okay, so paste. Okay, we just pick this as our reference and put it there. I don't need this field. It's even making the work more heavier, so I will just uh, that I can select it. Select it. Let's select this field. Okay, holding on cap so that I can select those lines. I just need to delete this piece. Okay, this is what you would have just written instead of 10 feet. So that is how you can just bring. So let me just save this work. With the client's name. Okay, so I just click on save. So that is it. So the next thing is just to start working on our facade, which we're going to take on next. So stay tuned for the part two. Thank you.